So, what could be some potential impacts on learner experiences and educational practices? Well, to borrow from Sasha Lucioni, we are building the road as we walk it. But thanks to the design fictions envisaged in my case study, we can adjust, well, not my case study, but Johnston et al.'s case study. We can begin to adjust our practice for the future. One impact on learner experience is going to be that XR technologies can create immersive and engaging learning environments, and they can perhaps be so engaging that people never want to leave. Perhaps this means policy and governance needs to be put in place that sets that VR should not be indistinguishable from reality. Another impact on learning experience is that the extensive data collection capabilities of XR devices necessitate significant data protection measures to safeguard students' privacy and foster trust in these technologies. The article went on to highlight the potential misuse of surveillance, so obviously we need robust data protection policies. Another consideration is that XR content must promote diversity, inclusion, and accurate representations of various cultures and perspectives to prevent reinforcing biases. In fact, Johnston et al. Discussed the risk of having VR reinforce our own existing biases through virtual experiences and filtering, which stresses the importance of designing inclusive XR content. So what does this mean for educational practice? Well, for one, educators may need to adapt their curricula to incorporate XR technologies, emphasizing interactive and experiential learning to enhance students' understanding and retention of complex subjects. The article suggests that future XR tools could maybe help us learn about aspects of nature that are difficult to perceive or understand intuitively, like microscopic processes or vast cosmic phenomena, a level of understanding that has not been available to the masses beforehand. On a more critical side, it's also going to become integral to discuss legal issues surrounding AI XR, or to focus on reading the complex legal documents that we often blindly click accept on. In my daily role in the library, I see students click through those terms of service constantly. In fact, the Apple Vision Pro terms and conditions offer very vague and specialized terminology that don't really meet the need for transparency set out by scholars like Hyder in his article, Ethical Frontiers. Secondly, traditional assessment methods may need to be revised to account for the unique learning experiences provided by XR. Assessments should evaluate student navigation and critical analysis of immersive environments. The article discusses how XR changes our perceptions and memories, which should be considered in evaluations. They talk about how we may not know when information is being fed to people, which makes it hard to say when somebody truly knows something in any way. Another consideration is that we may need to consider closely what skills have to be taught without access to any sort of technology at all. And that's where I'll leave that.